my god!
Yeah, it's bigger than the other one.
Yeah, 100%.
Holy shit!
Look at the tail, dude.
I know, it was like a damn shark going through.
Slow left turn, Dave. I got it.
Just like that, baby.
Perfect. You're doing a great job.
Doing good, dude.
Thank you.
Very good. Perfect. Don't pull his head out. That's all you gotta do. Come on, a little bit farther. A little bit. Come on, get him up.
Good, Dave. Good.
Come back.
Head shake. Got him. Just out of reach.
So close. Hey, neutral for a second, Dave. Real.
Come on. Release your bail. Go.
Whoa!
Yeah! Take the string.
Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Keep it tight.
You gotta keep it tight though. That bucktail will fall right out of his mouth.
Yeah, especially that.
Hey, somebody come get this rod over here and move it.
Get that wrong.
What do you want? What do you
I
want?
don't care, just away from in the chair, right here. Back of the chair. Right here. Right here in the back of the chair. Put the hook somewhere.
Dad, can you hold this one? Hold this. Just hold that.
You got the way up there.
Just leave that there.
That other one's with him. I'm just going to try to free gap him.
Huh?
I'll try to free gap the other one.
Oh, let's move up over.
Make sure you fight the thing. If you don't keep tension on that, he's gonna come off.
Easy when you, make sure you're reeling when you're dropping that tip.
Oh, there. What the hell? There is two. Look at that. Oh, that's a little guy. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Don't reel when he's doing that, dude.
You gotta let him run.
I almost had a chance of sticking him there. Slow right, left turn, dude. Left turn. Go up. Other one's still there. All right, rod's in out there. Someone hold this net for me.
Yeah.
He's gonna stick that other one.
Oh, I had it! Oh my god! I hit him, dude. down there for that one. Dude, I hit him, man.
Just that one off.
Yeah. I'm not gonna imagine how that one's still looking. Kick her head, forward right.
This is so cool.
Yeah.
It is.
Big enough. He's getting the wood.
Yeah, because that's that jig head. He'll shake that jig head right off there. Oh, keep reeling! Holy hell!
Put your knees up on the front.
I know you're weak, but there you go. Keep him down. Keep him down. Out of muscle this way. Let him go under the boat. Don't let him go under the boat. Oh, he's going under the boat.
He's pissed off.
Gonna move.
Start reeling back. Reel now. There you go. Good job. Yeah, that other one didn't like that too much. I was like,
All right,
no
he's
way
coming
that's
up.
gonna happen.
Wrapped
Oh,
up.
he's wrapped.
Okay.
Reel. Back up to him, Dave. Back up to him. Reel. Just reel. Don't
Keep
fall.
reeling, keep reeling, keep reeling.
All right, perfect. Get that bit a little bit.
That's it, Alan.
Oh, we landed this one.
The only one.
There we go. Second one in the boat.
Alright guys, we finally got some fish out in the surf. I'm reeling one in. It's been tough this year. There was a fish kill in the ocean in Virginia Beach just a few days before, so we're struggling with that, but you see we finally got something out of the surf and it's a spot. So we're finally able to pull something out of here. I don't eat these. I know they make good bait, but I'm more of a catch and release guy, so we're gonna get a release on him. There he goes.
All right, guys. So, unfortunately, this year in Virginia, it was a little bit tougher fishing than what I was used to. I did catch a cobia myself. I was the first person to hook one up. I got him on a jig. I'll see if I can find that soon and show you. But I got him just really quickly burning and jigging a jig. One of those big heavy ones from the ocean. Instead, the other two got theirs on eels. We actually ran out of eels. So mine, I just didn't, when I got my cobia, I didn't take the time to rig up an eel and throw at it. I just kind of got antsy. And I grabbed the rod that had a jig on it and I just threw it right at it because there were two right there. And I hooked up with the one, which was nice. In fact, the second kid, Trent, he broke his off at the boat, which you'll see in the video. But other than that, it was a good trip. You know, I got on my first cobia. That was a dream fish for me. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this. I wish I had more time if I didn't have school to make more videos, but thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.